Hi, today on Caloti, I'll show you how to set your hours, seats, packages, and
We'll start with business hours. Review your weekly schedule and save the times clients can book. Next, seat management. Add the chairs, rooms, or stations you use so availability matches your real capacity. Create a package by bundling services clients often book together, then set its price or discount. In salon management, open branch locations confirm the active branch and that clients can see it. Together, these settings define when you're open, your capacity, your bundles, and which locations show publicly.
Your setup now matches how your salon works. Hours, capacity, packages, and locations all dialed in.